Hi, we are Math Peeps, and we are going to present our computation for output number 6, problem set 4. And the first person who will be presenting is Angela.
Measures of central NA dispersion. The following are the scores of a class in a 70-item quiz. So here are the given set. 49, 28, 37, 35, 53, 42, 56, 61, 34, 69, 60, 55, 52, 46, 64, 52, 66, and 55. I'm going to compute mean, median, and mode. Compute the following using manual computation. First is mean. The symbol of mean is X bar. The first thing you need to do is arrange the given numbers in ascending form from lowest to highest. And add all of the mean numbers dito sa set data natin. Then divided by kung ilan yung numbers na meron sa data set. So our data set has 18 observations. So now it will become X bar equals 28 plus 34 plus 35 plus 37 plus 42 plus 46 plus 49 plus 52 plus 52 plus 53 plus 55 plus 55 plus 56 plus 60 plus 61 plus 64 plus 66 plus 69 over 18. We need to divide the sum of all the numbers by 18 to get the mean. So, it is equals to 914, then divide 914 by 18 is equal to 50.77778. Since we need to move the decimal point to 100, so the answer is 50.78. Next is median. I'm going to compute median with the same given array numbers. After that, you can see that the middle numbers are 52 and 53. The formula of median is XNE is equal to 52 plus 53 over 2. Then the sum of 52 and 53 is 105 divided by 2 equal to 52.5. Therefore, the median is 52.5. Third one is mode. The symbol of mode is X hat. As you can see sa dataset natin, 52 at 55 ay dalawang beses nag-appear. At ang dalawang beses na nag-appear ay tinatawag itong bimodal. So ang answer ay 52, 55 bimodal. Let's move on to the next presenter, Christian Raylo.
Let's move on in the computation of range. From the given array numbers, as you can see, the highest number is 69 and the lowest number is 28. Therefore, 69 minus 28 is equal to 41. Then the range is 41. Let's proceed to the computation of IQR to get the positioning of Q sub 1 and Q sub 3. Let's start with the formula of Q sub 1. Q sub 1 equals n of observation over 4. So Q sub 1 equals to 18 over 4. The answer will be 4.5. We have to do the round up. Therefore, it will be in the fifth score. Let's move on to the Q sub 3. The formula will be Q sub 3 is equal to open parenthesis number of observation close parenthesis over 4. So Q sub 3 is equals to 3 open parenthesis multiply to 18 close parenthesis over 4. The answer will be 13.5. We have to do the round up. Therefore, it will be in the 14th score. Let's get the numbers in the given array number for the Q sub 3 and Q sub 1. In Q sub 3, the 14th number is 60. Then the Q sub 1, the fifth number is 42. Now we can compute the IQR, the formula for IQR is equal to Q sub 3 minus Q sub 1. Therefore, 60 minus 42 is equal to 18. So, the IQR is 18. Let's proceed to get the computation of variance. We have to make a table starting from x, then mean, then x minus mean, then open parenthesis x minus mean, and then close parenthesis squared. For the x table, write down the given number from the lowest to highest. Then from the mean table, we already get the answer of mean, which is 50.78. Then supply 50.78 from the data. Next, the score or x table. From the x minus mean table, you have to compute the all data one by one. To the table from mean table, example, 20 minus 50.78 equals negative 22.78. You have to do the same thing from the number as follows. For the last table, open parenthesis x minus mean, close parenthesis squared. You have to type in your cycle, open parenthesis, the number in x or score minus mean, close parenthesis squared. For example, open parenthesis 20 minus 50.78 close parenthesis squared. You will get the answer 518.9284. We need round it off to the hundred in decimal places. Therefore, your answer will be 518.93. You just you just to do you just do the same computation to the number as follows. The sum of the number or data from the last table will be 2,341.14. This has been moved to the hundred in decimal places. S squared equals sum of close parenthesis minus x mean minus x minus mean close parenthesis squared all over number of observation minus 1. Therefore, your answer will be 137.71. Let's proceed to the standard deviation. The formula for standard deviation is equal to the square root of variance. So S is equal to the square root of 173.71. Therefore, the standard deviation will be 11.73. Next presenter will be Ms. Jeka.
A. Measure of central tendency and dispersion. 2. List down your names and indicate the number of your Facebook friends and use the data to compute the following using Google Sheets. A. Mean, B. Median, C. Mode, D. Range, E. Variance, F. Standard deviation. Our group name is Matt Peeps, and these are the members. Ruby, Christian, Naomi, Jaka, Marvic, and Angela. The total of their friends are as follows. Ruby, 283, Christian, 414, Naomi, 898, Jaka, 1004, Marvic, 2755, and Angela, 3963. And this already ascends from lowest to highest. So first, let's get the total number of observation. And to get the total number of observation, click equal sign, type and choose count, and drag all the numbers from FB Friends, then click enter. And the answer is 6, or the total number of observation is 6. Let's proceed to get the computation of mean in Excel. Click equal sign, type and choose average, drag all the numbers from FB Friends, and then click enter. And the answer is 1,552.83. And this has already been decreased into 100 in decimal places. Let's proceed to get the computation of median in Excel. Click equal sign, type and choose median, drag all the numbers from every friends, then click enter, and the answer is 951. Let's proceed to get the computation of mode in Excel. Click equal sign, type and choose mode dot mode, drag all the numbers from every friends, then click enter. And so here we will get an error answer or none because there is no number has been repeated. Let's proceed to get the computation of range in Excel. Click equal sign, type B21 minus B16, then click enter and the answer is 3,680. Here we use the data 3,963 since Angela has the highest or most number of FB friends, while Ruby has the lowest or least number of FB friends. Let's proceed let's proceed to get the computation of variance in Excel. Click equal sign, type and choose var.s, drag all the numbers from FB friends, then click enter and the answer is 2,178,710.17. And this has been already decreased into 100 in decimal places. Let's proceed to get the standard deviation computation in Excel. Click equal sign, type and choose stdev.s, drag all the numbers from FB friends, then click enter, and the answer is 1,476.05, and this has been already decreased into 100 in decimal places. So the next presenter will be Mary V.
V. Qualitative variables. Based on the pie chart below, which was made from a population of 1,455 students of CBSU Tansa campus, composed a frequency table of college majors. Here is the given pie chart. As you can notice that the given number in the pie chart is in the percentage. So the first thing to do is to get the whole number in order to create a frequency distribution table. Based on the statement, the numbers of students in CVSU Tansa is 1,455 and the total number of college major is 7. For you to get the frequency table, you have to divide the 1,455 to 7. In Excel computation or Google Sheets computation, that is equal sign D36 slash D37. And then you will get the answer 207.86. That is have been decreased to 100 in decimals. Since the given or the number is in the percentage in the pie chart, I have to convert this into a whole number. I have tried to convert this into number here in Excel. If you move the decimal into two places to the right, you will get the whole number. You will get 100 as the sum of these given numbers. In order to get the number in frequency table, we have to multiply the frequency total to 107.86 to 0.05. In Excel computation, that is equal to D38 asterisk B54. Click enter, you will get the 10.39. You have to do the same in the following numbers. For the tourism management, the answer is still the same, since the data is the same, and so on so forth. For you to check if you get the correct answer, the frequency table number, you have to get the sum of these numbers. To get that in Excel, you have to click equal sign sum and drag all the data, then click enter. The answer is 207.86. To make sure that we get a correct data, we will have to compute this data by dividing two frequency table, frequency total, then multiply it into 100. Continue doing that to the following data. You will get the whole number of given percentage number from the pie chart. For us to will get the sum of this number, click a equal sign, sum, and drag all the numbers, then click the enter. You will get the answer 100. And as you can see on the screen, based on the frequency distribution table, therefore, the most population in CVSU Tansa campus had information technology as their college major. The next presenter will be Angel Nayumi.
Number 2, the given following data, construct a pie chart and a bar chart. Which do you think is the more appropriate or useful way to display the data? The first column, favorite ice cream flavor are chocolate, coffee, mint chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. And the second column, under the frequency, is 35, 18, 15, 12, and 22. And I think the most useful way to display the data ay yung bar chart dahil unang tingin mo pa lang, makikita mo na agad ang differences ng bawat data na nakalagay. Makikita mo siya sa pamamagitan ng taas ng mga boxes na nakalagay at sa ating example na ginawa, makikita mo agad na ang chocolate flavor of the ice cream ay ang may mas malaking frequency. So let's proceed to the next presenter, Miss Ruby Rose Baguio.
Thank you, Naomi. Letter C, quantitative variables. A test was administered to a class of 50 students, resulted in the following scores: 86, 85, 74, 45, 92, 36, 46, 92, 60, 45, 72, 90, 82, 46, 46, 82, 50, 86, 40, 36, 83, 92, 40, 65, 43, 30, 52, 72, 41, 52, 76, 87, 60, 55, 52, 36, 63, 63, 33, 65, 37, 63, 70, 82, 78, 34, 77, 70, 32, and 47. The first thing I have to do is to arrange these numbers from lowest to highest. So this will be the given array numbers. And number one that I need to do is to construct a frequency distribution table with 7 class intervals. And then I need to show my solution for the range and class width. Then the next thing I'll do is to construct a frequency histogram for the FDT. The third thing I will need to do is to identify if it's a symmetric or asymmetric distribution. Let's first count the total number of observations. So here in Excel or in Google Sheets, all you have to do is type or click equal sign, type and choose count, and then select all these given array numbers, or you have to drag these numbers and then click enter for you to get the total number of observations. So here you can see that the total number of observations is 50. And then for the range, all you have to do is click equal sign, then click N131 minus E127, since 92 is the highest number and 30 is the lowest number. You will get the difference of these two numbers by subtracting them. So you'll get 62. For you to get the class width, all you have to do is enter equal sign. So here B134 divided by 7. Since the range is 62, you have to divide it in 7 for the class intervals. You will get 9 because you have to round it up. So you get 9. So for you to get or to create class intervals, you have to choose or to use 30, since this is the lowest number from the given array numbers, and just add 9 to 30. So here for this example, you were able to get 39 by adding 9 to 30. So 30 plus 9 is equal to 39. Then 39 plus 9 is equal to 48. You just have to do the from the following numbers until you reach the bottom. So um, for 75 plus 9, that's how you get 84. And you will have to stop by 84 because there is no 93 in the given array numbers. Then for you to get the upper limit, you have to minus or subtract 1 below 30, which is 39, and you will get 38. So you have to do from the next number as follows. So from here, 47, then 56, 65, 74, 83. Then for you to get the last number in the upper limit, you have to add 9 from 83. So 83 plus 9, you will get 92. So this is going to be the last number in your upper limit. So you have to identify the frequency numbers by starting on 30 to 38. So for example, on this given array numbers, you have to count from 30 until 37 since there is no 38 in this given array numbers. So from 30, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you have to do the same thing from these numbers. So you just have to count how many numbers do they have in this given array numbers. So for this, I was able to get 10, 5, 7, 5, 7, 8. Then I have to sum it all up by typing equal sign sum. I need to drag all the numbers and click enter. I will get 50, which is the total number of observations. And I have added two columns, lower class boundaries and upper class boundaries. So for you to get the lower class boundaries, all you have to do is subtract the lower limit, which is on this left side, to 0 0.5. And then for you to get the upper class boundaries, all you have to do is to add 0 0.5 using the upper limit on the right side. Then for me to create a histogram, all I have to do is to drag the columns for class intervals and frequency table. So insert, then choose column or bar chart, for example, like this. But I have to change the width so that I'll be able to get a correct graph for his histogram. So for this one, I have already created a histogram. So this is the histogram. Then for me to be able to identify if it's symmetric or asymmetric distribution, I have to compute for the mean, median, standard deviation, and then to compute Pearson coefficient of skewness. So for the mean, in order for you to compute that in Excel sheet or Google Sheets, you have to type in equal sign, average, then drag all the numbers or the given array numbers, click enter. You'll get 60.82. Then for the median, you have to click equal sign median. Again, drag all the given array numbers for you to get the median. So here you'll get 61.5. And then for you to get the standard deviation, you have to type equal sign stdev.s and then drag all these numbers or the given array numbers. Click enter, you'll get 19.47. And then for you to get the Pearson coefficient of skewness, you have to use the formula. So you need to type everything here in Excel, equal sign 3, asterisk or multiply to mean, and then subtract it to median, and then divide it to standard deviation. That's how you get the answer, which is the Pearson coefficient of skewness. That is negative 0.10. So based on the rule of thumb of the Pearson coefficient of skewness, negative 0.10 is in moderately skewed, and it's left skewed distribution because it has a negative sign, and that is why this table is in an asymmetric distribution. Thank you.